Meaning of French.
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 French. French refers to anything that relates to or originates from France, a country in Western Europe. The French language, cuisine, culture, and fashion are notable for their elegance, sophistication, and global influence. French people are known for their passion for art, literature, history, wine, and romanticism. French society is marked by high levels of education, social equality, and democratic values. France has a rich history, with its many landmarks, monuments, museums, and galleries attracting millions of visitors every year. Overall, French symbolizes refinement, diversity, and excellence in various fields.